Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make designs on chocolate-covered strawberries. First, gather your fresh, clean strawberries, ensuring they are completely dry. Next, prepare your chocolate by melting it gently over a double boiler or in the microwave, stirring until smooth. This initial preparation is crucial for achieving beautiful, lasting designs. Make sure your workspace is organized and ready for creativity. Once your strawberries are dipped and the base chocolate is set, it's time for basic designs. Fill a small piping bag with melted chocolate or simply use a fork for a rustic look. Drizzle back and forth to create elegant lines or try zigzags for a playful touch. You can also use contrasting chocolate colors, like white chocolate on dark, for a striking effect. For more intricate designs, a toothpick or a small, clean paintbrush can be your best friend. Dip the tip into melted chocolate and carefully draw small dots, delicate swirls, or even tiny floral patterns. While the chocolate is still wet, you can gently add edible glitter, colorful sprinkles, or even finely chopped nuts for extra texture and visual appeal. After applying your designs, allow the chocolate to set completely. This can happen at room temperature, or you can place them in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes to speed up the process. Once firm, your beautifully designed chocolate-covered strawberries are ready to be displayed. Arrange them on a decorative platter for an impressive presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.